Hello guys, welcome back to True Legend. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Lowepro Format 160 camera bags. And without further ado, we're going to see how good this bag is and let's see the quality of it. So I'm going to take out this big plastic bag, and as you can see right here, we've got the bag right here, really decent size. So I had a other camera bag already over here, but this one's a bit smaller and I wanted a little bit of a bigger one so I could fit more equipment in here. So this is a camera bag that I've got from before. As you can see, I've got a few lenses in here right now, and I've got the dividers. So the good thing about this is it's got dividers, so I've got all my lenses in here. Got the Sony lens and obviously the lens that I've got on the camera. The good thing about this one, it's got dividers, but I can't fit the camera and this big lens in the exact same time. So this is why I've got the Lowepro camera bag. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open it up and we're going to see how it performs. So as you can see, this is the paper that we get. It shows what you can fit in there, and that's pretty much the lenses that I've got in here. So yeah, let's open it up. Without further ado, I'm going to remove this so I can easily open it up. So let's open up this bag. So as you can see, we've got dividers in here also, and as you can see over here, it even comes with a strap. So the strap is actually attached. Of course, I can put various things in here as well, in the top part. We also have desiccants in here, silica gel, so that it keeps the camera bag dry, which is really good. So I'm going to obviously keep that in here as well. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to remove the dividers just to see what it looks like. So as you can see, you could fit various things in here. I could put my camera in here, then I could put my lenses in here. We're going to see how it fits. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, you can put the camera equipment in here as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this divider over here, as you can see. And it's really similar to the one from my other camera bag, which is this one. And I could probably even put it in here as well if I wanted to. It doesn't really fit properly, but even though it works well. So I can easily just put my camera in here, and in here, in the side, I could put this lens in here, which is the kit lens that came with this camera. Put that in here, then I could put the Tamron 70-300mm in here, and I could put my camera in here, and then it will stay in here. And then the lens that I've got in here, which is 11-20mm, that can go in there as well. And I could put even this dust blower, keep my equipment dust free. So this lens fits in there without any issues, which is amazing. And then I could even just put it in this side, so I could just put it here, and I could put my camera in here with my other lens, and then this I could just store it somewhere. And I've even got my DJI mic case, which is what I'm using with this camera right now, so I could just even put that in here if I want to use it. Equipment from my other camera bag, I've got some lens cleaning swab. Alright, so what I've got now is this strap, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to now remove it, and I'm going to actually put it onto the bag. And then I can just put the strap over on this side, and I could just put it around. Good thing about this is really strong, so I can just put it on here as well. And as you can see, we now got the strap around. I can now wear it around me. So I could put other various things in here, like SD cards, other camera accessories, or power bank. And then you can even put a water bottle in here on the sides if you want to carry it with a water bottle. You've got another compartment here as well. So yeah, this is a really good camera bag. You can fit quite a lot in here, and you can fit multiple lenses in here as well. So yeah, this is a really decent camera bag from Lowepro. It's good quality. It's got various compartments. So yeah, I like this bag. So to demonstrate, I've got a power bank over here, 13,000 milliamp hours, and I'm going to put it in there to see if it fits. And as you can see, it fits just fine. You can have your power bank in here, have your USB cables in here, and then if you want to charge your phone or your camera equipment, you've got your power bank fitted into this camera bag. Alright, so now I'm filming on my iPhone right now, and this is what I was just filming with my A6700, and now I'm going to see how this camera actually fits into this bag. So I've got my 70-300 in here. I'm now going to put the camera in here. As you can see, I'm going to try and make this camera fit, as well as having these lenses in at the same time. So just want to make sure it fits. As you can see, it fits in. I'll put this in here as well. Or I could fit in this side. It actually kind of does fit in there anyway. So yeah, it actually does all fit into this bag compactly. So yeah, I can take this anywhere with me while all my equipment's in here, which is amazing, which is why I really like this camera bag. Fits my camera as well as all my lenses. Alright, so what I did now, I've put the 70-300mm biggest lens and mounted it on the camera, and now I want to see if it actually fits in vertically if I mounted it on the camera. So as you can see, it actually does fit really well. I could put this lens in here. Let's see if I can fit this in here. Alright, so this is where it's a little bit of a problem, but still, it kind of almost does fit. I won't be able to close the bag otherwise. But other than that, it does fit really well. Actually, it still does not fit. So what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to try and rearrange the padding on here. So as you can see, it's all empty now. I could just put my lenses at the bottom and then simply just slot this in. So if I'm ever going to go out shooting, then I can just put this in here. And let's see if it fits. And as you can see, it fits really well with everything in there as well, with the other lenses attached. And it's all in here. It's just this is removed from the camera divider, and it fits in really well, which is amazing. If I just want to remove it, if I just want to use these lenses. So anyway, I'm going to wrap up this video of unboxing and reviewing the Lowepro Format 160 camera bag. It's a really good camera bag, as you can see, really good quality. Got a lot of compartments. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.